Creating a Phantom wallet is a straightforward process, but users may encounter common issues that can be easily resolved with the right guidance. To begin with, it is essential to understand that Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency. The first step in creating a Phantom wallet is to download and install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon and select Create Wallet. Here, you will be prompted to create a password and confirm it. It is crucial to choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your wallet. One common issue users face is forgetting their password. If this happens, you can restore your wallet using your seed phrase. The seed phrase is a list of words that were provided to you when you created your wallet. It is vital to keep your seed phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to restore your wallet on any device. Another issue users may encounter is the inability to connect to the Solana network. This can be due to a poor internet connection or Solana network congestion. To resolve this, try restarting your browser or switching to a different network. Additionally, users may experience issues with transaction failures. This can be due to insufficient balance or incorrect transaction details. To avoid this, always double-check your transaction details and ensure you have sufficient balance in your wallet. To avoid common issues with Phantom Wallet, it is essential to keep your browser and wallet extension up to date. Regularly updating your wallet will ensure you have the latest security patches and features. It is also crucial to be cautious of phishing scams and only access your wallet through the official Phantom Wallet website. In conclusion, creating a Phantom wallet is a simple process, but common issues can arise. By following the steps outlined in this guide and being aware of potential issues, you can easily resolve any problems that may arise and ensure a secure and seamless experience with your Phantom wallet. Always keep your seed phrase and password safe, and stay up to date with the latest wallet updates to ensure the security of your Solana cryptocurrency.